Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my tutorial of big data, the world of big values. In this one, as we promised, that we will discuss about the big data terms and terminologies and the technologies one by one. So in today's video, we will discuss about the big data, that what is actually big data. So before starting this, some questions like what is big data, and like I want to learn big data, I have no clue where and how to start learning about it, or something like that. Does big data really means data is big, or what are the tools and software I need to know to learn big data? So I often receive this type of questions when I mentioned which I mentioned above. This is a really good question, and honestly when we search online regarding that, so it is very hard to find authentic answer that what is actually and from where we have to run, what we have to learn and how to apply it. So right now I'm using as a big data engineer, and currently I'm working on various platforms. So I decided to just bring a series of few videos in which you will able to conformly understand that how and what to go in the field of big data. So in the next of few videos we will understand about what is so big about big data. Okay, so what is the big thing, means what is actually big data is that. So big data is becoming one of the most talked about technology trend nowadays. The real challenge with the big organization is to get maximum out of the data already available and predict what kind of data to collect in the future. So how to take the existing data and make it meaningful, that is provides us accurate insight into the past data, is one of the key discussion point in many of the executive meetings in the organizations, which is explosion of the data. The challenges has gone to the next level, and now a big data is becoming a reality in many organizations. So as you can able to see that right now I just took this image from Google search and put, which is showing that suppose we are living into this globe, so the around of everything is just like a data for us. Right now we are having a huge amount of data, and for that we have to deal about that. So that is actually the big data is. So what is the understanding about that? So we can understand about the big data as this Rubik cube. So what is actually this Rubik cube? If you see any Rubik cube till now, then you can able to see here that there are so many phases into that. Okay, so I read some articles about like big data as a Rubik cube. In that I just want to summarize that it's really a very good example to compare big data with the Rubik cubes, and really believe that there are so many similarities between big data analysis and the developing and as a Rubik solve. So it has like that. For example, this Rubik cube has so many different solutions. So let us visualize a Rubik cube solving challenges where there are so many experts participating. If you have take 5 Rubik cubes and mix up the same way and give it to the 5 different experts to solve it, it is quite possible that all the 5 peoples will solve the Rubik cubes in fraction of the second. But the main thing is, if you pay attention on the sum closely, you will understand that even all the expert will give the exact the same value, exact the same solution, but the procedure, the algorithm, the method they follow to solve this Rubik cube is completely different from each other. Then what it means? It means right now the Rubik cube as a puzzle which having some kind of solution, but the all expert is follow the same kind of algorithm from the start to the end, but in the between way is completely different. So in the same way, big market is exactly like this Rubik cube. Even through a goal of every organization and the expert is same to get the maximum out of the data, the root of the starting points are different for each and every organization. As organizations are evaluating and architecting big data solution, they are also learning the way and opportunity which are related to big data, and they are trying to achieve the same goal, and the goal is to understand the data and to make it more reliable to understand to others. Okay, so there is not a single solution for the big data, as well as there is not a single vendor which can claim to know that all about the big data, the platform. Honestly, I'm telling that big data is really big as a concept, and there are so many players, and there are so many people say there's so many experts who is working on the different type of architecting. Even they are working on different type of open sources. Okay, so I hope till now you understand and clear about that exactly what is the big data. In the next few videos we will try to explore all the topics which is related to big data, and I'm not claiming that you will be master of the subject after like this of the series, but I'm confirmed. I want to tell you that I will try to cover all the topics which will make you to understand about the big data into the upcoming time. So in the next video we will try to find an answer that how big data comes into the picture. Till that, Please subscribe my channel and please leave the comment if you're having any issue. Thanks.